The incredible machine that we want to present you today combines welding, cutting, and rust cleaning functions. That is our 3-in-1 handheld laser welder. It is able to carry out assorted welding techniques, flat welding, butt welding, and lat welding. It welds in all directions in high speed. The seams are smooth and the products are firm. It configures nozzles in multiple angles in order to work with different types of seams. It cuts 1 to 2 millimeter stainless steel, aluminum, and other sheet metals easily. It instantly and effectively cleans the rust on the surface. It adapts ergonomic design. It's comfortable to grip, light in weight, and easy to operate. You've got choices of power from 1000 watts to 3000 watts. The machine is portable for it equips pulley to move in all directions. A 15-meter fiber line enables its wide operating range. 3-in-1 laser welder are widely used in sheet metal manufacturing, kitchen and bathroom decorating, fitness equipment manufacturing, and so on. Aren't you eager to get such a powerful and easy to use laser welder like this?